So welcome for today's class of number sense and numeration. So let us start with the class 1. So here it is written number sense and numeration. You all can take down the information about this. Numbers. The first one is the numbers. Numbers are mathematical symbol by which we express date, time, distance, position, quantity, etc. We use 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to write any number like 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 2. Then these are the numbers, etc. Next, what we have is number system. Number system deals with the study of different type of numbers. In this chapter we will study about the characterization of different types of numbers. You all can just take down this basic information as your introduction part. Next, what you all have is natural numbers. Counting starts with 1 and continue till infinite. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Next, what we have is the whole numbers. When 0 is included with natural numbers, they are called whole numbers. In other words, natural number together with 0 are called whole numbers. For example, whole number starts from 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, etc. Next, what we have is the integers. You all need to know what are the integers. Integers are the collection of whole numbers and negative of natural numbers. For example, like these are the negative numbers, then comes 0 and then the positive numbers. Okay, system of numeration you all have. Mathematical notation of numbers is called numeration. Let us know about two type of numeration. So we have two type of numeration. One is Indian system of numeration. Second one is International system of numeration. Okay, so Indian system of numeration, let us see this first. It is a positional decimal number system. Look at the following place value chart. So you all have to look at this chart. So the place value, okay, Karab, Arab, crores, lakhs, thousand, ones. So you'll have to see this. So first ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10 lakh. Okay, this is 1 lakh. Okay, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Then comes 1 crore, and then 10 crore Arab. Then you all have 10 Arab, and then Karab and 10 Karab. Okay, next what we have is the example. Like name the number indicated in the place value chart. So this is the place values like ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. You all have 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, and so on. Okay, so solution is what? 14 Karab. Here this is what? 14 Karab. Okay, sorry, 14 Karab. 2 Arab, 65 crore, 21 lakh, 3,253. So you'll have to name the number, all this. Okay, next next is the International system numeration. This system is applied in whole world. The following place value chart shows International system of numeration. So here it is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then you'll have 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion. Okay, and so on. Okay, then comes trillions. Okay, so here what you'll have to do is name the number indicated in the place value chart. So here place values are given. Okay, ones, thousand, million, billion, trillions. So 546 trillion, 568 billion, 22 million, 65,215. Next, let us see the place values. Okay, place value of a digit in a number is the position it occupies according to the place value chart. Example, find the place value of 5 in the number 646568232. So what is the place value of 5? You all can see the place value of 5. Okay, let me rub this part first. So you all are just looking for this 5, right? So ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 50,000 it will be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So how many zeros it will have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay. So let us see the face value. Let us talk about the face value of a number is the number itself. Okay. 5. Okay. For example, if you take the same thing. Find the face value of 3 in the number 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 8. So what is the face value of 3? The solution is 3 itself because value 3, right? So it's already given. Next you have is a successor. Okay, let us see what is a successor. The number which comes just after a number is called successor of the number. Means you all have to add for this. Okay, addition. For example, find the successor of 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 4, 4, 6. So you all have to only add plus 1. So if you all add plus 1 in place of the last number, you all can see 6 is there. Here 7 will come. Rest everything is same. Okay, you all have to just add these numbers. Next, what you all have is predecessor. Predecessor means you all have to subtract. Predecessor of a number just comes before the number. Example, find the predecessor of 46656 55416. What you'll have to do, take this number minus 1, you'll have to do subtract is equal to, now here the last number is 6, right? You'll have to make it 5. Rest everything is same. Next, what you'll have is the Roman numeral. Roman numerals represent the number using alphabetical symbol. The 7 alphabetical symbols which are used in Roman system of numeration and their values are as follows. Okay, so this is what you'll have, values. So this is the symbol. These are the values. 1, 5, 10, 50 will look like this, 100 C, and 500 will be D, and 1000 will be M. Okay, these are the symbols of these numbers. So what you'll have is the rules of use for using symbols. Rule 1 is, when a symbol is repeated, its value is multiplied as many times as the symbol is repeated. Okay. So rules. So example, it is given. So Roman number 1 and 1 is given. So it will be 2 multiplied by 1. It will give you 2. Okay. So now x is given. So 3 multiplied by 10 it will be, so 30. Now rule number 2 is the symbol IXCM can be repeated in a Roman numerical like CCC, which means what you'll have to do, 3 multiplied by 100. So what you will get is nothing but 300. MM means what? 2 multiplied by 1000, 2000 you will get. Okay, CC. C is what? 100. So you'll have to multiply these 3C multiplied by 100. If you all do, you will get 300 like this way. You'll have to use this and do this. Okay, next is rule number 3. The symbol VL and D can be repeated. D is equal to 2 multiplied by 500. So you will get 1000. But 1000 is represented by symbol M, therefore the above expression is not correct. So rule 4, if a symbol of a smaller value is a right of the symbol of greater value, their values are added. So this is the examples which is given to you all. LV 50 plus 5, 55. DC 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. Next, what you'll have is rule number 5. If a symbol of a smaller value is left to a symbol of a greater value, the difference is the resulting value, like VL, like 50. You'll have to subtract, right? Minus 5 will get 45. So what will be this thing? The difference is the resulting value if the symbol is smaller value. So CD 500 minus 100 will give you 400. And then rule 6 is there. If a symbol of a smaller value comes between two symbols of a large value, its value is subtracted, okay, from the value of the symbol which is right to it. So IV means 10 plus 5. So X is 10 plus I is 5 in the table. You all can see. Then what you'll have is 5. Okay. And then this middle one will be minus 1 because the value is given minus 1. And you all have to just read this. Is equal to 14. 10 plus 5 is 15 minus 1 14. So D is what? D over here is 500. So I'll have to plug 500. X and C is given. So C is 100 plus 10 and last middle is X. So it is, what is the X? 10. So it will be minus 10. 590 you will get. 600 minus 10 will be 590. Look at the following table. So you'll have to look at the table. You'll have to study all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is given over here. You'll have to study all these Roman numbers. Okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. So I hope you all have understood this introduction part. In the next class I will be continuing certain things in the next class. For today, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.